Have you ever felt like no matter how much you study, you still forget everything? You are not alone. The truth is, most people have been studying the wrong way their whole life. Think about it. How often have you spent hours reading notes, highlighting textbooks, or cramming last minute only to forget everything a week later? Japanese students, especially those preparing for brutal exams like the center test and Tokyo University entrance exam, don't study harder. They study smarter. And their secret, a system designed to make their brains remember everything while studying less. Today, we are diving into the study techniques of Japan's top students, from a method used by samurai scholars to modern neuroscience backed techniques. By the end, you will know exactly how to rewire your brain for better memory and efficiency. But first, why does traditional studying fails us? Most students rely on passive learning, rereading notes, highlighting, and reviewing material without testing themselves. The problem, your brain forgets 50% of what you learn within an hour. Psychologists call this the forgetting curve. But Japanese students hack this system using a combination of spaced repetition, active recall, and immersive learning techniques. Let's break it down. Japan's best students don't waste time rereading notes. Instead, they test themselves constantly. This is called active recall, forcing your brain to retrieve information which strengthens memory. How do they do it? With spaced repetition system, a technique where easy facts get reviewed less often. Harder to remember facts get reviewed most frequently. Popular spaced repetition system tools includes the flashcards, the Leitner system, and traditional Japanese repetitive oral recall. Next time you study, try covering your notes and testing yourself instead of just rereading them. It will feel harder, but that's how you train your brain to remember. Speaking of techniques that supercharge memory, here is another fascinating trick. Japanese students, especially those preparing for kanji memorization, often use a technique dating back to ancient Greece, the memory palace. How it works? You imagine a familiar place like your house, assign each room to a topic or a concept. Place key ideas inside those rooms and mentally walk through them. Japanese students use this to memorize thousands of kanji's characters, and it works for any subject from history to science formulas. In Japan, there is a saying, the best way to learn is to teach. This is exactly what the phenomenon technique is about. Here's how to use it. Choose a topic you want to learn, explain it loud in the simplest terms as if teaching a 5-year-old. Find gaps in your knowledge where you hesitate or struggle. Go back and simplify further until you truly understand. This method forces your brain to reconstruct knowledge in a way that sticks. Many Japanese students create study groups where they teach each other, accelerating their learning. Japanese students also practice something called total immersion in one task. It's a study technique inspired by Zen monks, and it works like this. No multitasking, full focus on one concept at a time, deep understanding before moving on. This is the opposite of the Western habit of jumping between subjects. Studies show that focused, uninterrupted studying increases retention by up to 50%. So try this. Instead of switching between subjects, spend 30 minutes mastering one topic with full concentration before moving to the next. Japanese students don't have bigger brains. They just study differently. If you want to remember everything while studying less, here's what you can do right now. Number one, use active recall. Test yourself instead of rereading. Try spaced repetition. Revisit information at optimal intervals. Use a memory palace. Associate ideas with places. Teach what you learn. Use the phenomenon technique and practice focusing on one concept at a time. Most people study harder. The smartest people study better. Try these methods today and see the difference. But the question is, will you?